Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tech tip: how to restart Microsoft Edge in 2025. Whether you're dealing with a sluggish browser, random crashes, or just need a fresh start, restarting can fix a lot of issues without any hassle. Microsoft Edge has evolved over the years, and in 2025, it's even more user-friendly, but the basics remain straightforward. Let's jump right in. First off, why restart Edge? It's like giving your browser a quick reset. It clears temporary glitches, frees up memory, and can resolve problems like pages not loading or extensions misbehaving. Now, let's get to the steps. The easiest way is to simply close the browser. Click the X button on the top right corner of the window, or use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F4 to shut it down completely. But sometimes, Edge doesn't close properly, especially if it's frozen. In that case, we'll use the Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard to open it up. Once Task Manager is open, head to the Processes tab. Look for any entries labeled Microsoft Edge or MSEdge.x. There might be a few, so select them all. Right-click and choose End Task to force quit. This should terminate any lingering processes. After that's done, reopen Microsoft Edge by clicking its icon on your taskbar or searching for it in the Start menu. Voila! Your browser should be running smoothly again. For an alternative method, you can restart from within Edge itself. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help and Feedback, and select Restart, if available in the 2025 version. It's a newer feature that makes things even easier. A few quick tips. Always save your tabs and work before restarting, as it might close unsaved data. If you use Edge profiles, restarting won't affect your logins or settings. And remember, if problems persist, consider updating Edge or checking for malware. There you have it. Restarting Microsoft Edge is a simple fix that takes less than a minute. If this helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.